Hello everyone! Let's talk about frustration and how to deal with it in our life as a musician. Everyone thinks that playing music is such a wonderful thing and that everyone who plays should be happy all the time. Well, we all know that's not the case. First, it happens when we work on music and want to play it really well for our teacher. We expect ourselves to play really well, and then we come to the lesson and then it just doesn't sound this way. I hope your teacher will tell you, well, I understand. Take it easy, relax. I know that's hard to show your best under pressure. That's a part what we are learning. Now, playing cello is like a marathon. It's never a sprint. You cannot learn to play cello in a week or in a month or even in a year. So, patience, that's a key. Try not to compare yourself to others. Just make sure that you work day by day. Sometimes you will feel you're making a lot of progress. Sometimes you will feel that you go backwards. Keep moving. Only future will tell how much progress you made. And try to find happiness in your everyday's work. I remember preparing to one of the competitions. I remember how frustrated, unhappy I was at that time. And I looked around and saw other students. And I knew that I play better than they do, but they were happy. And I was the most miserable person in the world. And then I realized that all that frustration, all unhappiness is within me. So I have to fight it. I have to see positive side of cello playing. And that helped me to make it through. If you are frustrated with your progress, listen to your old recordings. And chances are that you will be happy with the progress you've done so far. Try to find a balance between your desire to be perfect and with understanding how well you play at this moment. Life is never perfect. Your performance is never perfect. My performance is never perfect. I can tell you that I'm never happy with my recordings. The moment I press that upload button, I know that I can do things better. And this is what drives me. So, I wish you to have the same drive, to strive for perfection, but never being stopped by realizing this perfection is not happening right now. It will come tomorrow. It will come after that. Keep moving and play cello.